Hi guys, welcome to Explain Me How. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Instagram pictures in high quality. Please subscribe if you want to see more videos like these. First, open your browser and then search how do I find Mobile Legends location. Now scroll down and go to the first link as shown here. As you can see, the steps are written here clearly. Your first step is to go to Location Services of your mobile phone and then enable the Open Location Services. Step 2 is to go to Settings and then find App Management and click on it. Moving on to Step 3. As you can see here, you have to find and search Mobile Legends and then click on it. Now click on Permissions and then enable the location. And finally, go back to Home and then open your Mobile Legends. Go to Leaderboard and then click Street. Click on No Data on the top right corner and then click on OK. After you're done with these steps, open your phone settings. Now, go to Apps. From here, search and go to Mobile Legends. Once you're here, tap on Permissions. Then go to Location. Now, just select Allow only while using the app. Thanks for watching this video. I hope it was useful. Make sure to drop a like and subscribe to get notified for new videos. We are dropping new videos every day to help all of you.